everyone. Yesterday my dad's drone came in and we're opening them.
And so why do we order the drone?
So Daddy can take videos of houses.
That's right, and communities. So we're gonna fly the drone. The plan is we're gonna fly the drone over the communities, and it's gonna take video and still pictures. And then we're gonna convert those videos into advertisements for my real estate team. So
we have this wings.
So we're unpacking it. And
I got a wing out.
it looks like this.
Those are the wings.
You think so?
Yeah, I think those are the wings.
I think they guard the wings. Yeah, they guard the wings. They protect them from the propellers. Look, the propellers go in a circle, and this protects the propellers from getting broken. And I was I was watching a video on YouTube yesterday night, and apparently those propellers, or these propeller protectors, aren't necessarily needed. Only if maybe you're new like me, or you're flying in trees. Okay, what else we got? Ooh, let's see.
I think that's the drone.
Can you show me how to carefully pull the wings out? Mm-hmm. I'll look at this while you're doing that. Let's see what these are. Oh, this is the remote. Ooh, very cool remote.
Daddy, look, there's these things on the thing, on the wings. I got them.
Okay, yeah, this is what they told me yesterday. This one records the video, and this one takes pictures. And it's got a little red button for the video, and then a little camera-looking thing for the picture. And then this is a on-off button, and then a home button. You can see that. It's like a return home button. And you'll notice that the controller sticks aren't in there, but check this out. Where do they go? Yeah, they're in there. So you open this up, and it holds your camera. And then this right here is where the controller sticks are, and you just screw them in. Look, Riley. Oop. You screw in the controller sticks. Righty-tighty, lefty-loosey, right?
Uh-huh. Daddy, look, I found
And
more
maybe
wings.
not in this case.
Daddy, look, they gave us extra wings, just in case we need them.
It was upside down. Yep. Yeah, because sometimes we
We break them on accident.
Okay, so here's the other one. Look, Riley. Look where they store the joysticks. Right there. And then you just take it and screw it in. Can you do that? It doesn't have to be hard. All right, so then these must go out. And they are, wow.
They look at, I'm pretending.
Oh, they're together as well. Gotcha. Yep, you're pretending. That's cool. All right. And then these go down. Riley, look, these go down like this.
Okay.
Wow, that is so cool.
That looks like a kid one, but a little bigger.
And on the video yesterday, Riley, they were telling me, oh look, there's a sticker here, we have to take that off. And that's where the camera is. See that? And there's a little protector so that the camera is protected, I assume.
I found the battery.
So I guess that's, this is sort of like a tinted thing, maybe to keep it protected and stuff. That's the battery charger. And here's the gimbal for the camera. It's pretty cool. It's got a stabilizer on there. And I believe it's a 2.7K camera. And then on the back is where it gets charged and you put the battery in, right there. So that's pretty cool.
Oh, these are the cords in this thing.
Nice.
Here, let me take them out.
All right.
There's a lot of them.
So the battery goes in there. And then right here is where your memory stick or your SD goes. And then there's your charging port. So pretty cool. It's gonna be awesome. Okay, what else?
Here's the cords you can put in the remote.
Okay, so we got that. We got the cords. Okay, so yeah, the cords, they have 3 different kinds according to the video I watched. And just so you guys know,
Daddy, found the other thing for the charger.
Good. Okay, so here's the varying. There's the iPhone. It gives you a variation. There's the lightning cable. There's the whatever that is for the probably other types of connections for phones.
Found the instructions.
We're gonna use the iPhone.
Found the instructions.
Okay, good. Because we're gonna need those. Okay, so we did that. We got instructions.
Ooh, this is heavy.
And let's see. Oh, is that the batteries?
I think so.
Okay, that's what I was gonna look for.
1 battery, 2 battery, 3
Yeah,
battery.
there's 3. So go ahead and put them in there, okay? And let's see if they're already charged a little bit or if we need to charge them coming out of the box.
I think we have to try.
Then we're gonna take this and we're gonna put this plugged in right here. You have to be careful that it's not, you don't push it in too hard and that it fits well. Yeah. And it is supposed to go this way because it'll connect to your iPhone. There it goes. Okay. So it'll probably go through there, connect to my phone.
Charging.
And then we got the antennas. These little LED lights are gonna light up when it's charged and we have batteries in there. In fact, there you go. It comes charged. There's 2. So it's in 2 of 4, which means it probably needs to get charged at some point, but I'm sure like most things these days, they actually come charged a little bit so you can immediately start playing around with it. Okay, what else?
I got the batteries in charging.
Okay, let's see. Where's the light? There they are. Okay, so there's different lights right here, okay? And what this, they told me on the video yesterday was, there's the on button, so let's see if what happens here. Holding it down.
These are tiny instructions.
Okay, none of these are charged, it seems. But what's cool about this one is as they charge, let's say this one was fully charged and we use it for flight. Then this one was like 2 of 4. See how there's 4 of them? If there's 2 of these lit and then none of these, but this one was fully charged, this charger is smart enough to start charging this battery when it's plugged in, and it charges the one with the most amount of signal. So that way, you can basically just use it when this one dies in flight. So, or not in flight, but when it lands. Okay, what else? That it?
No,
What is this?
that's extra wings.
Oh, our groceries. Okay, and then obviously extra propellers.
There's
That's
3 of them.
3 of them. And what is this here? Extra, looks like extra joysticks. That's really, really good to have just in case.
What are joysticks?
And then the case itself is pretty cool. It all fits in there except for this. And let me look at the batteries. So the batteries must fit in one of these 3.
I'll put the extra stuff in here.
And then you can just carry it around with you. That's pretty cool, Riley. So what I love about I can't take credit because I don't know much about drones, but what I like about the fact that my friend Darian recommended this to me was, where does it say? There it is. See that backwards? It says 249 grams. That 249 grams is very important to remember because it is 1 gram less than 250, which if you hit 250 grams, it has to start, I'm told, it has to start complying with FAA requirements. So they actually, DJI Mavic, or DJI the company, built this Mavic Mini just for that reason. For people like me who want to do it recreationally, yeah, I'm kind of doing it for business, but it's going to be more recreational. I'm I'm not gonna be like, you know, I guess doing it as a business, right? It's just for my business. So anyway, this whole thing, this is called the combo pack. When you buy it, it's $100 extra, and you get 3 batteries, you get the remote, you get extra props, and some other things too that the other one only comes with 1 battery, probably no extras. So my wife ordered this and she did pretty good. All right, so now we're gonna put it together and then start flying it.